Hey guys, welcome back for another video. You've all heard the saying, nothing in life is permanent. That holds true for permanent marker as well. Although it's called permanent, there's a very easy way to erase a permanent marker from a smooth non-porous surface like a whiteboard. So if you've ever ended up using a permanent marker on a whiteboard or any plastic surface or metallic surface or any other similar non-porous surface, I'm going to show you a very simple trick that will help you erase the permanent marker very quickly. All you need for it is a whiteboard eraser or a sponge or any other cloth that you're going to wipe the surface with, and something like this deodorant spray. All I'm going to do is spray a bit of it on the surface from which I want to erase the permanent marker. Give it a second or two to dissolve and then simply start wiping. And you're going to see it disappear just like that. You don't really need a deodorant spray. You can use any alcohol-based solvent such as Sanitizer, aftershave, perfume, or even nail polish remover. Whatever you have handy, that will work just fine. So that's how easy it is to get rid of a permanent marker stain from your whiteboard or any other similar surface. Do let me know your feedback on what you used to remove the stain, and do leave a like on the video and do subscribe to the channel.